Hey, it's Josh from Wedgetail Rack. So what I'm going to show you now is a Wedgetail trade platform set up for technician use with the technician ladder kit adapted onto it. So what we have is buffers on the inside, buffers on the outside in 3 different positions along the roof rack. On this side I have it set up for an A-frame ladder, also with our ladder lock if you need to secure the ladder from being stolen. The beauty of having this style of system is everything's done from the side of the platform rather than underneath the platform. What we've tried to do is get the platform as low as possible, which then makes it difficult to get your hand under from the back, so we do everything from the side. When we set it up for a ladder, we need to just adjust these buffers on the channels to suit the ladder, whether it's a straight ladder, parallel ladder or a tapered ladder. Simple as this, 5mm Allen key in the bolt hole here, and then we can adjust the width to whatever's ideal for your ladder. You can also take it straight off and use the rack as a normal roof rack very quickly. But first of all, put this back on and I'll show you how you load the ladder. So this ladder's locked into place now. It's not going to slide forward because the buffer's up this side have locked it in. It's nice and solid that way. All we need now is some straps to stop it going upwards. That's what the side straps are for. So we'll pass these over the ladder, back around underneath and hook onto these side strap holders. Pull down and that's fastened.